Exploring a macOS or iOS application bundle and noticed LPROJ folders with language codes. These contain localized resources for different languages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these localized project folders. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn LPROJ files. LPROJ folders are localization project directories used in macOS and iOS application bundles. Each LPROJ folder contains language-specific resources, like strings files, NIB or Storyboard interface files, images, and other localized content. The folder name prefix indicates the language code such as en.lproj or fr.lproj. LPROJ folders follow Apple's localization conventions where the folder prefix is an ISO language code or locale identifier. Inside each folder, developers place strings files with translated UI text, localized XIB or Storyboard interface files, images, icons, and other resources that override default English content. The most common, market-leading program for LPROJ is macOS from Apple Inc. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows may open the script visually, but its logic runs only under the specified runtime. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your LPROJ file and choose Open With. Test with macOS first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. When your LPROJ file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, browsing on macOS. On macOS, right-click an application bundle and choose Show Package Contents. Navigate to Contents, then Resources where you find LPROJ folders for each supported language. Open any LPROJ folder in Finder to view its localized strings and interface files representing that language version of the app. Next, Editing in Xcode. Open the parent application or framework project in Xcode where LPROJ folders appear as language-specific groups in the project navigator. Edit localizable strings files directly to update translations or add new language LPROJ folders using the project's Info tab and the Add Localization button. Finally, modifying translations. For string-only edits, open localizable strings within an LPROJ folder using a text editor like BBEdit, VS Code, or Xcode. Update translations following the format. Key equals translated value with proper escaping. Save changes with UTF-8 encoding to preserve special characters in non-English languages. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.